In this video, I want to have a few disclaimers. This is in my opinion, and it's based on what I can tell. A contractor's way to read a contract and what to look for. This is not legal advice, but a suggestion from a contractor. I hope you find this video helpful and useful in seeking out responsible, reliable contractors in your state and neighborhood. Thank you. Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and I want to show you how to save thousands and thousands of dollars on waterproofing your property. So I found this estimate. It was on, it's just available to the public, and I'm going to use it. I feel it's going to be a good example. You know, it's a contractor that's been around for a while. Confident in showing sample quotes on the internet to whoever. So here we go. Sump pump. The estimate is for a Zoller M98 half horse. Okay. It's also a sump pump pit. And this covers the excavation, which is digging the hole. All right, so $1,410. So, I got on this this guy's channel there. He's, he advertises pretty heavy that he's, I guess, a big shot on YouTube, which is fine. He looks like he's pumping his chest out here. All right, so what I found was, they're using, these indoor basins. Now that's fine if his customers are happy with that, great. And then it comes with the cover. And I seen in one of his later videos when he replaces a Liberty pump. It was quite interesting because he went back to replace the Liberty pump that failed, and the cover was already cracked. But, then again, these are made for inside the house, and they weren't made for out in the yard. That's why, we went ahead and, developed this heavy-duty, sump pump station. So $1,410 gets you, this, these are anywhere from $17 to $22. This is the year 2001. So, prices have gone up since 2018 when the sample was put on the internet available. And, half horse Zoller pump. And this $17 to $22 indoor basin, and that cover. And they dig a hole and they put gravel around it. It says here for $1,410. Okay, so then the discharge line's 1.5 inches, and that's $1,560. Well, we sell two discharge lines, one for $150, and then if you want the premium, we sell that for $170. Well, this house ended up needing two sump pumps, two discharge lines. I mean, this example given was almost $13,000. It does not include the paver work. They'll pull up and remove the pavers, but they won't put them back. Does not include electrical work. Does not include irrigation repair. Lines will be cut. The homeowner, the customer, is responsible to have them repaired. There is no warranty against flooding. And it says here, we cannot beat Mother Nature, but we can give the water a place to go. Boy, isn't that sexy. Okay. All right, so 10% off if you go with all of it. Still pretty pricey. So, again, this indoor basin, that Zoller half-horse pump, dig a hole, put gravel around it. That's $1,410. And then the discharge line's $1,560. So, one of our half horse units with the Zoller 98, M98, you're looking at $700. If you go with our duplex system, which I highly recommend, $1,400. You dig your own hole, put stone around it. Now you got a backup pump, and you have a really heavy-duty commercial system that's made out of culvert pipe. It's got a sump viewer. You don't have to pop the hood. You could just look right in. It's pretty cool. See what's going on. Or, you know, you go with one of these units, half horse, pump. They dig the hole. You don't dig the hole. They dig the hole. And it's saying here $1,410. So you're like $2,800 now. $2,800 for two of these, two half horse pumps. Oh, and two covers. And they dig the hole and they put the gravel around it. So I just want to make, you know, all that clear. But DIYers, go to FrenchDrainman.com. www.FrenchDrainman.com. And we sell these outdoor sump systems, and they're commercial units. They're heavy, heavy duty. And, you know, we sell this very easy to work with PVC Schedule 40. It's seamless. You don't need any glue. You don't need any fittings. Pretty sweet. $170 for the premium, $150 for just the standard grade. And your bad seed would be with a half horse M98 Zoller pump, all right? Look at what you saved. So you got $700 for that unit, $170 for a premium discharge line if you do it yourself. Well, this is looking really good. So if you went with the duplex model, which is what I recommend, duplex model, and then two of the premium discharge lines at $170. I mean, you got $1,400 in that. I mean, you're saving so much money. I mean, it's unbelievable. So anyways, and, you know, regardless of whether, you know, you go with a yard drain professional, I guess they don't have an in-house licensed electrician. So you're going to have to pay for that separately, and they don't do the irrigation and stuff. So, you know, if you're going to have to call your irrigation company anyway, if you're going to have to call your local electrician anyway, and there's no warranty against flooding, which basically means, you know, there's just no liability, period. So anyways, I just wanted to walk everybody through, let them know their choices. You want a Zoller M98? You want two of them for the price of one and dig your own hole? DIYers, I have so many kits. I've put together so many kits for you guys. All you got to do is dig a hole. All right, everybody. Until that next video.